fucking shit. Come on, dickhead. Oh my god. You can't fucking see a lane is ending. Unfucking believable. Fucking hell. Unbelievable.
Make a left turn, then make a left turn.
Just fucking unbelievable. No indicator. Thanks, mate. Don't know what you're fucking doing then if you don't indicate. I'm supposed to be a mind reader, aren't I? Oh, where's your fucking indicator? Where's your indicator? Fucking indicate! I would have known! Fucking dumb bitch! Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot.
In 1 kilometre, make a slight left turn on George Alexander Way.
What a dickhead. That was a great move in the BM. Fucking excuse me. Fucking really. Fucking nice, mate. You're special. You're real special, aren't you?
Also staffing, looking at how many minutes of care, which is also a recommendation of the Royal Commission that the government's implemented. And then finally, there's quality measures, things like what's the level of pressure injuries or falls in a facility.
And you're reporting.
Yes, mate. You gotta fucking merge, haven't you? And nearly get this fucking guy right up my ass. Fucking hell, look, they're fucking idiots. They can't figure it out. The last fucking minute. And then I nearly get a guy up my fucking ass. That is. Oh, you fuckwit. For fuck's sake. You go forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Fucking just sitting there at the fucking light when you should have moved forward. Oh, fucking idiot on a scooter on a fucking road with no fucking safety gear on. Fuck me. Fucking idiot.